Good morning students, class 9 chapter number 7 triangles, exercise 7.2. In the previous video we have discussed about congruency of triangle, in which we discussed there are total 5 criteria which we use to congruent triangles: triple S, SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS. Now we start question number 6. In the question number 6, it is an important question. What is the given? Firstly, we note down given triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. So, in triangle ABC, AB and AC both are equal. Mention in the figure that both sides are equal. And after this side BA is produced to D. BA is produced to D. It means BAD is a straight line, such that AD is equal to AB. AD and AB both are also equal. So these two sides are also equal, and we have to prove angle BCD is a right angle. It means angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Now start proof. It is given that AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB. So we can say that AB, AC and AD, these three sides are equal to each other. AB, AC and AD ये सब आपस में equal है. Now in triangle ABC, what is the main condition? Yes, in triangle ABC we can say that AB and AC are equal, which is given. And now revise theorem number 1 we have discussed in the starting of this exercise. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So what is the property? Opposite angles of a triangle. In a triangle, opposite angles of equal sides आर इक्वल. यानी किसी भी ट्रायंगल में जो साइड इक्वल होती हैं उनके अपोजिट एंगल्स भी इक्वल कंसीडर किए जाएंगे. सो अगर ये दो साइड इक्वल हैं ए बी एंड ए सी, देन व्हाट इज द अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ ए बी? ऑब्वियसली दिस एंगल. एंड व्हाट इज द अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ ए सी? दिस एंगल इन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी. सो वी कैन से दैट angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. These two angles are equal and we suppose both angles are small a, and just show in the figure. Similarly, अब बिल्कुल यही कॉन्सेप्ट हम यूज करने जा रहे हैं. तो similarly in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC we can observe that AD and AC are equal. AD and AC both are equal. Just proved. वही सेम प्रॉपर्टी हम यूज करेंगे. देन व्हाट इज द अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ AD? केवल आपको ट्रायंगल ACD स्टडी करना है. So what is the opposite angle of AD? This angle. It's mean angle ACD. And what is the opposite angle of AC? Opposite angle of AC is this angle ADC. angle ACD is equal to angle ADC, and we suppose both angles are small b, and just show in the figure. Now after this, in triangle BCD, now in complete triangle, in triangle BCD, using angle sum property, using angle sum property, angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB, sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Angle DBC is, we write small a. Angle BCD can be written small a plus small b, and angle CDB is small b, is equal to 180 degree. 2a plus 2b is equal to 180 degree. After taking 2 as a common, so small a plus small b is equal to 90 degree. Small a and small b, both angles together make the angle BCD. So we can say that angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. So it is proved. Just note down. Okay students, question number 8. In the question number 8, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Equilateral triangle, a triangle in which all sides are equal. So we draw a triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle. So in the question, what is the given? In triangle ABC, AB, BC and AC, all three sides are equal. And to prove, in the question we have to prove angle A, angle B and angle C, each angle is 60 degree. Proof. हम इसका हर एक एंगल 60 डिग्री का कॉल करना है. Firstly, we have to consider these two sides are equal. So in triangle ABC, AB and AC are equal. It is given. Property we have discussed in the previous question. In a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. In a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So what is the opposite angle of angle B, which is angle C, and what is the opposite angle of side AC, which is angle B? So both angles are equal and we suppose both angles are x. Just show in the figure. Similarly, we take another pair of equal sides. Similarly, in triangle ABC, we consider AB is equal to BC. Again using same property, what is the opposite angle of side AB, which is angle C, and what is the angle opposite to side BC, which is angle A. So both angles are equal, but we suppose that angle C is x, so these angles are equal to x. Now finally, using angle sum property in triangle ABC, using angle some property in triangle ABC. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. X plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. So finally angle A, angle B and angle C, each angle is 60 degree. Proved. I hope the question is clear. Just note down. In the next video we start exercise 7.3. Thank you very much.